I decided to go back to school myself. A little painful. It was Catholic school, but we went back to elementary school to talk to some kids. Take a look.
I want to be a president.
So you want to be president of the United States?
Mm-hmm.
You think you're smart enough?
Yes.
Think you're strong enough?
Yes.
You pretty enough?
Mm-hmm.
You are pretty enough. That's true. You are. But I don't know if I'm going to vote for you. Why should I vote for you?
I'll ask the rich people to give some of the money to the government, and ask the government to give the people who really need the money.
Who's voting for Kanine for president when she grows up? Oh, yeah? Okay, I represent the rich people now. I don't want to give any more money.
Well, then you're greedy.
Oh, I'm greedy?
No offense.